Hey. Hey guys. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Well, me back. I am back. As I stated in 2 videos before, that I am going to be back. You all are going to be tired of seeing my face. Because I was contestant number 220. And now I am contestant number 42 as well. You guys are giving me too much chances to win. Y'all not recommending the persons. What are y'all doing? Well, I'm going to do an unboxing. As you can see, I couldn't wait. I open the package already. I'm going to take them out as yet, but I'm open it. As I don't want to be fighting on the video. So, the first item is, I think this is a share. Yeah, I think this is a share. Yeah, it's a share. Comes with the charger and the clips as well. Yeah, and there's a manual inside, so that's the one. And two, what is this? I am not sure. What is this? Hold on, I don't know what this is. I think this is a speaker. Yeah, it's a speaker. I got 3 of these. And it comes with charger as well. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm gonna check when I'm finished. Oh, and this is to do vlogs. You put your phone on and such. Hold on, I'm gonna pause the video. Come here and get something to open this. Okay, I'll get something for cut it. So this is, oh wow, this is nice. You can sit down. I'll show you all. This is what I got. So this is a mic and the ring light thingy. So this set is to do vlogs. And these are 2 aromatherapy diffuser. So I got 2 of these. Yeah, charger right here. So shooting up that one. But as I stated, you all are sleeping on my shipping company. You up yourself. I know you must tired of me, but I'm gonna keep recommending the persons because that's the only rule. Recommend the persons and then you have a chance to win. So thank you for my prizes. Yes, the aromatherapy diffuser, the 3 speaker, the thing to do the vlog, and the share. I'm going to give that one away as gifts. So thank you all very much. And as me stated, oh no, I got tired to see me face, but you can't get me out of Thank you all. Bye.
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.